Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't create Apple ID at this time. So first up, it's worth checking your internet connection. So just make sure you have a stable internet connection, and you can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next up, make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. So just head to your settings and then check for any updates, and make sure to keep it up to date. You can also try restarting your device, as sometimes restarting mostly fixes a lot of issues. And you can also try using a different device or browser. So if you're trying to create an Apple ID on one device and it's not working, try using a different device or a different web browser. Another thing you can try to reset in your settings is your network. So just head back to settings and then tap on general, then about, or actually, no, not about. Scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. And then from here, tap on reset and then select reset network settings. Next, you can also try checking Apple system status. So just visit the Apple system status page to see if there are any outages or issues with Apple ID services. If those steps don't work, then it's best to reach out to contact Apple support for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.